Shivaya. Good morning, everybody. Vinod from Bali. It's a special message for the commanders of Indian Army and my native people, including the media. I had been to Army, got retired in January 91, Corps of Signals. We are all familiar that the war, to be victorious in the war, how important the communication is. I had been to Corps of Signals, so I had an intuition to share all these wonderful things with you. So, see, it's very simple. We are from a land of mystics. And now, fortunately, I am teaching these things to the Americans. The Westerners, other armies, soldiers are all one, They are leading very disciplined lives. So this video of mine is especially for the soldiers and a message to the commanders and the press. See, in army, especially commandos, see, at every time, we are in situations, we can be in situation during war or another exercise that we have to remain hungry for days, for weeks together. So, and another thing, we sometimes, those who are non-swimmers, they may have to cross some water channels during the war, some river. See, what about those who are non-swimmers? We don't have life jackets, for example. So Plavani Kriya, simplest possible in the yoga. So because the credit goes to the Indian Army, because Army was very much instrumental in making me, with my introduction, with some very masters, grand masters of yoga in Jabalpur, MP. Here I prostrate in the lotus feet of my master Shri Yudhishthir Prasad Tripathi from Panna, Jabalpur, whom I met him in the cremation ground. Now here the message goes. As the generals, everybody is familiar how important the communication is in the war. So this is lack of communication in India. Even within the, well, I would not like to directly say to the army, but in our country, even the press, I have not yet seen in Indian Army these kriyas, even to the commandos even, those who are non-swimmers, how to float on water for weeks together, for days together, how to remain hungry with Plavani Kriya, how to go breatharian, how to remain in the extreme climates, right? Minus 40, minus 14 with pranayama. I'm here, God has gifted me these things by virtue of my karmas. So I would like to share these things too. Today is the Kriya. First Kriya is for I love my Indian Army soldiers, Every soldier for that way. Because we lead very high kind of disciplined life. So now here I come. Well, I'll tell you Plavani Kriya, very simple. I still remember I was in Samba. And well, I won't talk just for the security purpose. Vajragati exercise, sometimes in Himachal, 39 days, 19 days. No, so these situations we have to come across in the army. So now here, let's share this Kriya. Right now I'm in Padmasana. Don't worry about asana. Don't worry about asanas. Simply you have to learn this to gulp down the air. As I was in Padmasana, you can simply Padmasana or any posture comfortably you can sit. You have to gulp down the air. It's very, very important. Very simple, but very, very important Kriya of the yoga Plavani. So now we'll apply this Kriya for the soldiers when they have to cross any channel, water channel, as I was a non-swimmer. So still with this Kriya I can float. Everybody can. See now, simply gulping down the airs. And this Kriya is related to so many Kriya. How to be breatharian. भूखे कैसे रहना है हफ्तों बाबा बालकनाथ जैसे वो हमारे पवनाहारी हैं. These are sciences. Again, lack of communication. ये communication हमारे इंडियन आर्मी में भी नहीं हो पा रहा है. These kriyas. Fortunately, I am sharing and still with the Americans, other countries, these soldiers from India mastered the extreme, rarest of the rare kriyas. Where is your communication now? You would have invited me for your... So anyway, It's a lack of communication. This is what we have to check in the coming future, especially in army too. So here goes Plavni Kriya for the soldiers. सोल्जर्स के लिए आज मैं अपने फौजी भाइयों के लिए ये विशेष क्रिया डाल रहा हूँ कि जो तैरना भी नहीं जानते हैं वो हफ्तों पानी पे कैसे फ्लोट रह सकते हैं, भूखे कैसे रह सकते हैं हफ्तों बिना पानी के। राजस्थान में जहाँ बहुत गर्मी है, बिना पानी के भी आप बिना खाने के हफ्तों कैसे रह सकते हैं। ये प्लावनी क्रिया उन सब चीज़ों से जुड़ी है। मीन्स हवा को खाना, पवनाहारी पवन को आहार बना लेना। इट्स वेरी सिंपल नाउ। सिर्फ आपने सिर्फ बच्चों की तरह इसको गल्प डाउन करना है। आज ये स्पेशल मैं आर्मी के लिए डाल रहा हूँ। देखिए सिंपली, इट्स नथिंग। ये देखिए पेट में हवा जा रही है, गट गट की आवाज आ रही है। इट्स वेरी सिंपल बट इट्स ए बून टू द ह्यूमैनिटी। अगेन सी यू हैव टू गल्प डाउन। ये हवा खाते जा रहे हैं, हम पानी का घूंट भरते हैं। मुझे वो दिन याद आ रहे हैं जब मग में रम डाल के हम रम का घूंट भरते थे। सो एनीवे, सो ये खाते जाइए। अब ये पेट में आपके हवा चली गई, पेट में। अब ये हवा आपको, इस हवा जो पेट में गई आपकी, जब आप डकार लेंगे तो ये क्लींजिंग का काम करेगी। अगर ये पेट में ही रखेंगे, आपका बॉडी का आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल लागू होता है, हम फ्लोट कर सकते हैं। और कुछ समय बाद ये हवा इंटेस्टाइन से क्रॉस होकर जब मल द्वार से निकलेगी, उसको फार्टिंग कहते हैं, पंजाबी में पतला कहते हैं। सिंपल। और जी फार्टिंग नाल हवा निकलूगी, अपनी आंतड़ियाँ जो है क्लींजिंग क्रिया हो जाएगी, वायु धोती हो जाती है। धोती क्रिया कहने नु योग में कितना सिंपल है। हूँ दो किमें लागू, फिर मैं खा रहे हैं, देखो हवा देख लो पहले, जस्ट लुक एट मी। अगर ये हवा मैं पेट में रखता हूं तो मुझे ये भोजन का काम करेगी। जब भी भूख लगी, एक दिन हो गया, 2 दिन हो गया, पानी नहीं है, ये हवा खा लो, क्लींजिंग होता जाएगा। फिर खाते जाओ, हवा मल द्वार से निकलेगी। अगर अनईजी फील होते हो, बर्फ कर सकते हैं बाद में। अनईजी फील नहीं होता है। अब मैं अगर पानी में जाऊंगा, मैं फ्लोट करूंगा, नॉन स्विमर हूँ। एक वीडियो कितनी बार डाली है मैंने। मैनी गर्ल्स ऑफ यूरोपियन गर्ल्स फ्रॉम फ्रांस, जर्मन, दे हैव बीन डूइंग विद मी। द गर्ल्स ऑफ इंग्लैंड, वेरी वेरी एडवेंचरस देवियाँ हैं वो। अब ये क्रिया हमारे आर्मी में होनी चाहिए। मैं नर्शल में जा रहा हूँ, पहले आज इतना ही बताऊंगा, फिर मैं आपको कमांडोज के लिए दूसरी ट्रेनिंग दूंगा। सो लेट इट बी ऑन द यूट्यूब ओनली। मैं सिग्नल कोर से हूँ, यही मैंने सीखा है, अपनी आर्मी को कम्युनिकेशन देना। मैं ह्यूमैनिटी को कम्युनिकेट कर रहा हूँ, हाउ टू टेक इंक्रीज द इम्यूनिटी ऑफ द बॉडी। अगेन प्लावनी। वेरी सिंपल है, पेट भरता जाएगा। कोशिश करनी है खाली पेट करें, अर्ली मॉर्निंग रोज करें, क्लींजिंग होएगा, क्लींजिंग क्रिया होएगी। इसके साथ फिर आपकी और क्रियाएं जुड़ी हैं। अब मैं खाता जा रहा हूं, अगर मैं इसको डकार मार दूंगा, क्लींजिंग होएगा। देखिए अब मैं डकार मारूंगा, ये देखिए डकार आ रहा है और आता जाएगा, और हवा खाएंगे, ये क्लींजिंग हो रही है। दिस इज द क्लींजिंग एक्सरसाइज। यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारणा ध्यान समाधि षट कर्मों में ये क्लींजिंग का भी काम हो रहा है। तो ये क्रिया मैं, इस स्पेशल मैसेज टू माय जनरल्स, टू द कमांडर, आई सल्यूट इंडियन आर्मी। सी नाउ आई एम स्टिल बर्पिंग, नाउ द क्लींजिंग इज गोइंग ऑन। सो अब जो अभी क्या होएगा, ये जो हवा घूम के पूरी जो है इंटेस्टाइन में से होती हुई मेरे रेक्टम में से मल द्वार से निकलेगी, फार्टिंग होएगा। देखिए कितना क्लींजिंग हो गया। सिंपल क्रिया है, लेकिन इसे हम, आई फील सॉरी, आई फील पिटी फॉर माई दिस द communication system of our, even the press. This fault finding is never recommended in yoga, but it's something, ridiculous, for especially for, because I feel myself proud. In yoga there is nothing, we are ego, to kill the ego, but still see how funny it is. A soldier from India teaching to different countries soldiers this Plavani, how to remain Britharian. Now I tell you, go to the Facebook for the generals. Solar-powered humans from California. You're part and parcel from Indian armies with them now. We are all one and the same. We are working in anonymity. Because now my field is not merely limited to the geographical boundaries or any one particular. I am a patriot. But now my mission is a mission of the solar-powered humans. In California, we work in anonymity. God has blessed us with everything, So we are now on the move, like Vajragati exercise I was in 39 Dev, to do the welfare of the humanity. No religion, no barriers, geographical boundaries, no barriers. The topmost thanks of yoga, we are bringing in the limelight. How to go in the dark retreat, especially for the Westerns. Again, this message. So, again, my soldiers, I'll teach you the Kriya, especially to the soldiers, virtually in the coming. But today I shared you this Plavani Kriya. Again, see this demonstration because you need it in the commandos. If you have to cross any water channel, non-swimmers, you can swim like this. You can be hungry for months together. To me, I am 63 now. Again, I repeat, to prove the authentication of my words. These are not flowery speeches. There's a soldier talking now to the soldiers. I am 63 years old age. I'll remain absolutely hungry even without water for 20 days, as you must say, because I know Khechri Kriya. Some secrets I'm telling you. Then I'll have road, run and walk 20 kilometers in Bali. Welcome to the generals, to my commanders, to the press. Come in Bali. Meet Mahayogi Vinodananda. It's my fictitious name. I'm with the solar-powered humans, the cream, the nectarous people, the holy people on this planet. Those who don't come in front just to show their life, show their, they are anonymous, No hypothetical ideas. They serve the humanity, they serve the animals. Yeah, one thing for the soldiers. In yoga, Ashtanga yoga, Yam Niyama, non-violence, celibacy is important, but already soldiers are observing, to a great extent, celibacy. Non-violence, I will never ask them because there is a demand of the profession to be non-vegetarian, to have rum on the high altitude area because I had been to there. Don't leave that. Now I'm in the field of yoga. I'm totally vegetarian, breatharian sometimes, years together. So now it's for you. Don't mislead the soldiers at least. They need non-vegetarian, they need rum also. They have to be in the post like Taya, Dumari. Hell's soldiers' life is different. Fauji Rabbda hai duja na. So it is my message because I cannot resist myself. Because you can go in Samadhi also, all this Kriya. So today again I demonstrate this Kriya. Plavani. Gulping down there simply like children, like children. See. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਘੁੱਟ ਭਰਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਮਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਘੁੱਟ ਭਰੀ ਦਾ ਨਿਆਣੇ ਦੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਐ ਪੀਪਲ ਇਟਸ ਨਥਿੰਗ ਵੈਰੀ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਗਲਪ ਡਾਊਨ Dakar Martha. I have burped it out. It's cleansing. All the toxicants have come out. And then you through your do it empty stomach early in the morning. That's more better. But in any emergency, when you need to float, you're a non-swimmer, you can do this. Filling the stomach, control from here, willpower, go into the water. I'll show you next time. And for the soldiers especially. Because you are already, Fauji Rabbda hai duja na. You are very close to the Lord. और जो वीर हैं उनके लिए मोक्ष का द्वार युद्ध में लड़ते हुए भी यदि वो सेक्रीफाइस होते हैं तो वैसे ही मोक्ष को प्राप्त होते हैं ये गीता के और बड़ी शास्त्रों के प्रवचन हैं सो सोल्जर्स के लिए ये मेरा मैसेज था आर्मी कमांडर सिग्नल कोर के एक वेल दिस आई वुड नॉट लाइक टू ब्रीच द आई हैड बीन टू आर्मी हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑल्सो सो आर्मी इज इन माई ब्लड सो वी नीड समवेयर वी नीड सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन वेयर द फॉल्ट लाइज वेयर इज द कम्युनिकेशन गैप Where is this communication gap? So we have to teach all these, at least in India in army. We need it, I know it very much. Nobody can deny the fact. We have to pass through, we do pass through these situations. I still remember the Vajragati exercise, I was in 39 Dev. Oh, lifting on the mules, very heavy sets and all. We need yoga. सूक्ष्म योग की क्रियाएं सीखनी है हमने, सूक्ष्म योग की. ये आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है ये सब सूंफ ज़्यादा करने की और टांगें घुमाने की बिकॉज यू आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग road run and walk. You get up early in the morning at 4. Number of exercise. I have been doing high horse and gymnast. It's good. But now you need these kriyas, my generals, my most honorable generals, to induce these kriyas, and me welcome from you now. But you can meet me on the solar-powered humans from California. So it's out of love I am sharing all these things. More things, yoga is unlimited, limitless. Then this I am in Padmasana now. Yeah, Padmasana. Simple, comfortably. From here to Noli Kriya. See, complete exhalation. ये मैंने बंद लगाया हुआ था, उड़ियान बंद, मूल बंद. जब ये अभ्यास बढ़ जाएगा फिर आप लिंग इंद्री से वज्रौली क्रिया, दूध भी खींच सकते हैं, घंटों सेक्स में आप रह सकते हैं, मोक्ष को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. वज्रौली, इट्स ए सोल्जर टॉकिंग फ्रॉम इंडियन आर्मी, जस्ट फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द होल ह्यूमैनिटी. इसी क्रिया से आप वज्रौली कर सकते हैं. अगेन आई वेलकम ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द सोलर पावर्ड ह्यूमंस एनी योगी इन द वर्ल्ड, एनी स्पिरिचुअलिस्ट, नो फ्लारी स्पीचेस, pure yoga, yoga and yoga, and that too for the welfare of the humanity. No business. From California, solar-powered humans, to prove the authentication of my statements. Not for business. I remain under the tree. No accumulation of wealth. Service to the animals, every creature on this world, on this planet. So this is Vinod. Well, I'm at a place in Bali, in the lap of my motherland earth. It's a place, name of the place is Moksha, New Guinea. Most welcome. Anybody from India even, throughout the world. Not for hurting your ego, not for finding fault. Let's come up now for the young generation. Swami Vivekananda says, Samadhi is not merely just sitting alone. Your eyes rolled, not like this. You can reach Samadhi through the football grounds, through the service to the humanity. Now मैं आप से अपने फौजियों से ये सूक्ष्म योगा शेयर कर रहा हूँ. स्थूल योगा तो हम कहते ही रहते हैं. I still remember deer display, then high horse jumping. It's all with us, How much you want to learn? Oh, we are with the world-class gymnasts, soldiers, breatharians, those who have not eaten for the years together. Meet us on the solar-powered humans. We are in anonymity. We are in anonymity. Again I say, strive for the best. Strive for the best. Keep following me. Now for the soldiers. These girls have learnt here from me, and you can go to my Plavani Kriya. Then for the commandos. No mere talk, no flowery speeches. Remain in the presence, in the surveillance of the camera. Hungry for 20 years, no water even. Then run with the yogis, the humans, solar-powered humans, 20 kilometers. Be breatharian for years together to prove the authentication. Go to the solar-powered humans. You'll meet there those who have not even taken, completely food-free. They are spiritualists. Go and come and join for Samadhi also. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. I love Indian Army, who gave me the highest kind of discipline. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, especially for the soldiers, those who are living in the high altitude area. Don't get misled. Being like vegetarian, you need rum there, you need everything non-vegetarian. Don't worry about all these things. For the preachers too. Don't bring all these things in the army. All right, if you are an army, if you are a soldier, you have to fight, you have to be in the firing ranges, toughest of exercise, then you need their disciplines. Don't spoil the soldiers, my Indian Army soldiers. If anybody has doubt, can have open discussion before the camera. We are very much here to bring the truth for the young generation now in India. Question! जहाँ आप जाते हैं योग सीखने, जिससे आप सीखते हैं, जो भी आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, just question him. Who is he? इफ इज आई मीन आपको सेलिब्रेसी सिखा रहे हैं, ब्रह्मचर्य सिखा रहे हैं, वो कहीं 10 बच्चों का बाप तो नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज लॉर्ड इन दिस वर्ल्ड. लीला है, किसी की फॉल्ट फाइंड नहीं करना है. बट यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी चूजी, वेरी वेरी चूजी. सो हियर द सोल्जर फ्रॉम इंडियन आर्मी, Vinod, my father, Indian Army, Captain. Oh, we all, hats off. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep following me. I'll be putting special videos for my soldiers. Again. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.